Critical library mismatch involving the image mastering API DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. While preparing the manual steps for image mastering API, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Image Mastering API. This library is the engine for the Image Mastering API, Imapi, responsible for the burning of data, audio, and video to CD, DVD, and Blu-ray discs. It manages the low-level hardware handshake with optical drives. If missing, Windows Disk Image Burner and third-party software like Nero will report no burner detected or Imapi interface failed. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Since Image Mastering API DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Image Mastering API component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Image Mastering API DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Image Mastering API. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Image Mastering API. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.